Service Forecast Office in White Lake, Michigan. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning alarm system for NOAA All Hazards radio station.
That didn't go off, and that didn't go off. I was trying to plug that in, but it was already too late. Guess I can put the site back up now. Oh wait, no, actually, never mind, it did go off.
11 a.m. and 1 p.m.
I just didn't hear it for some reason.
The test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, especially the warning alarm, will vary at any
That did not go off either.
This variability, normally noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting only the following southeast lower Michigan counties: Livingston, Oakland, Macomb, Washtenaw, Wayne, Lenawee, Monroe, and St. Clair. This concludes the test of NOAA weather radio station K East C63. We now return to the normal broadcast.